Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Classes. In this video we are going to solve the exercise 6.2 problems for class 10th mathematics chapter number 6 triangles. So let us see the problems, question number 2 to 6. First, converse. So before going to solve the problem, so let us recall the converse of basic proportionality theorem. A line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side, that is DE is parallel to the what? BC here. Then it divides the same ratio, that is AD divided by what? DB, and AE by EC. The line DE is parallel to the side BC here by BPT theorem. So we are writing the in triangle ABC. So here once again, if a line divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the what? Third side. In triangle ABC, AD divided by DB. AD divided by DB is equal to AE by EC, we can say. Then the line D is parallel to the what? BC here by PPT theorem. So question number 2, exercise 6.2 here. E and F are the points on the sides PQ. E and F are the what? The points on the sides PQ here. See the diagram here. E and F. This E and F are the points of the side PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. So what is given here? See the right given things first here. PE is given here. PE is what? 3.9 centimeter. And EQ is equal to what? 3 centimeter. PF is equal to what? 3.6 centimeter. And FR is equal to what? 2.4 centimeter. So these are the given things in the question. So PF is equal to what? 3.6 and FR is what? 2.4. In triangle PQR, see the triangle PQR, E and F are the points on the sides of PQ and PR respectively. State whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Given E is equal to 3.9 centimeter and EQ is equal to what? 3 centimeter. PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter and FR is equal to what? 2.4 centimeter. And to check here, PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. If it is equal, then it is what? Parallel, we can say. Solution: in triangle, that is PE by EQ is equal to what? 3.9 divided by 3. Then PE by EQ is what? 39 divided by 30, because 3.9 means what? 39 by 10 divided by 3. This 10 comes here. 10 3s are 30. This will become what? 30. Then 30. See here, 3 10s are 30 and 3 13s are cancelled. Then PE by EQ is equal to 13 by 10. That is equation 1. Similarly, we have to calculate PF divided by FR. PF divided by FR, 3.6. What is the value of PF here? 3.6 divided by 2.4. That is equal to what? PF, again continue here, 3.6 divided by 2.4, that is 36 by 24, that is 3 by 2, equation 2. Observe, from equation 1 and 2, both are not equal. We can say that PE by EQ in triangle PEQR, PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR from 1 and 2. Therefore, we can say that EF is not parallel to what? QR. EF is not parallel to QR. In this way, we have to solve the problems. Next, second problem. PE is equal to 4 centimeter. It is given here. And QE is equal to 4.5. PF is equal to 8 centimeter. RF is equal to 9 centimeter. The triangle PQR is given here. If it is EF is, to prove EF is parallel to QR, we have to check PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. If we prove this one, if this ratio is equal, then we can say that EF is parallel to QR. Otherwise, it is not a parallel. Hint to check PE by EQ is equal to, see here, PE by EQ is nothing but here 4 divided by 4.5. That is equal to 4 divided 4.5 will become what? 45 divided by 10. This 10 goes to the what? Numerator. 4 into 10 is what? 40 divided by 45. 40 divided by 45. Is it right? So here, next one, 4 divided by 45. 4 divided by 45 is nothing. 40 divided by 45, that is 5 8s are 5 9s are, that is 8 by 9. They call this as equation 1. Yes. Now PF divided by FR is equal to, PF is what? 8, FR is what? 9. Equation 2, in triangle PQR. Here then we can say that in triangle PQR from 1 and 2. Observe this equation 1 and equation 2, that is 8 by 9. Therefore PE by EQ is equal to what? PF by FR, and EF is what? Parallel to QR. Hence it is verified, the BPT theorem, by the converse of what? BPT theorem. PQ is equal to 1.8 centimeter. PQ is equal to 1.8 centimeter. PR is equal to 2.56. PE is equal to 0.18, and PF is what? 0.36 centimeter. Observe here, that is PE is what? 1.28, and P is what? 0.18, and we have to prove this one. PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Then we can say that EF is parallel to QR. Otherwise it is not a parallel. Hint to check here, PE by EQ we have to calculate first. PE by EQ is nothing but 0.18 divided by EQ, divided by EQ as it is. Now how to calculate EQ? EQ is nothing but PQ minus PE. That is 1.28 minus 0.18. EQ is what? 1.28. EQ means what? 1.28, and PE means what? 0.18. After subtracting you will get EQ is what? 1.10. Therefore PE by EQ is equal to 0.18 divided by 1.10, that is nothing but 18 divided by 110. 2 9s are 255s are, that is 9 by 55. That is equation 1. Then PF divided by FR, what is the value of PF? 0.36. FR as it is, FR is nothing but PR divided by PR minus PF. PR minus PF. Now what is the value of PR? 2.56. PF is what? 0.36. After subtracting we will get 2.20. PF divided by FR is equal to 0.36 divided by 2.20, that is 36 divided by 220. Then cancel it. 4 9s are 455s are. This is equation 2, 9 by 55. Observe here, from equation 1 and 2 both are equal. Then we can say that PE by EQ is equal to what? PF by FR. Therefore EF is parallel to what? QR. Therefore EF is parallel to what? QR. In this manner we have to solve the problem by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. So question number 3, exercise 6.2. If LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to what? CD, prove that AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. In triangle AML, AM divided by AB. See here, in triangle AML and triangle ABC, angle AML is equal to angle ABC. Corresponding angles, these are what corresponding angles are equal, and MAL is equal to BAC, common angle. Therefore triangle AML is similar to what? Triangle ABC by angle similarity criteria. Then AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Equation 1, corresponding sides of similar triangles are what? Are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Then moving to the what next, in triangle ANL and triangle ADC, angle ANL and angle ADC, ANL and ADC are what? Corresponding angles, and NAL and DAC is what? Common angle here. NAL and DAC, NAL and DAC is what? Common angle. By angle criteria of similarity, triangle ANL is similar to what? Triangle ADC by angle similarity criterion. And so therefore AN divided by, if they are similar, then their sides are what? Proportional. AN divided by what? AD is equal to AL divided by what? AC. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are what? Equal, or in proportional we can say. And AM divided by AN, AB is equal to AN by AD from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Hence the proof. This is your proof. Clear? So this is the triangle we have to draw here. And this is the parallel. We have to draw the triangle. Next, hence the proof of the problem. Next question, given D is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, then prove that BF divided by FE is equal to BE divided by EC. Here D is parallel to AC means DF is parallel to AE. Proof, in triangle ABC D is parallel to AC, that is given. Here then BE by EC is equal to BD by DA, equation 1, by BPT theorem. In triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE, then BF divided by FE is equal to BD divided by DA, equation 2, by BPT theorem. From 1 and 2, BD by DA, right side is equal, then we have to compare the left hand part of the equations 1 and 2. BE by EC is equal to BF by FE is equal to BE by EC is equal to BF by FE from 1 and 2. So hence the proof of the problem. In this manner we have to solve the problems. So next one, question number 5, given D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that EF is parallel to QR. The D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to what? In triangle PQA. If D is parallel to OQ, then we have to take the triangle PQR. D is parallel to OQ, then by BPT theorem DE by EQ is equal to PD by DO, equation 1, by BPT theorem. Similarly, if DF is parallel to OR, then take the triangle POR or PRO or POR. In the triangle PRO, DF is parallel to OR, then PF divided by FR and PD divided by DO, equation 2. Observe here, from the above equations, both the equations of the right hand side part is what? Equal. By BPT theorem, PD by DO and PD by DO, both from equation 1 and from equation 2, the right hand side part of the equations 1 and 2 are equal. Then we have to compare the left hand side part, that is equal to what? PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. By from equation 1 and 2. Hence the proof. Therefore, we can say that in triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR from equation 3rd. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by the converse of BPT theorem, we can say. Next question is, A, B and C are the points of on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, then AC is parallel to PR. Show that BC is parallel to QR. Proof of the theorem: in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ means OB by BQ is equal to OA by AP by BPT theorem. Next, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, that is the given. Then by BPT theorem, OC by CR is equal to OA by AP. Equation 2. Observe the equation 1 and 2. The right hand side part, that is OA by the BPT theorem, it is also OA by AP and OA by AP from 1 and 2. Both are equal here. Therefore, we are writing the left hand side part, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. That is equation 3 from 1 and 2. Reference is what? 1 and 2. In triangle OQR, OB is OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR from 3rd. Then we can say that BC is parallel to QR by the basic converse of what? Basic proportionality theorem. Hence the proof. Hence the what? Proof. So in this video only this much. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.